Going on, everyone? Sam here at Layton Sports Cars. We're in one box of 2020-21 Panini Mosaic Basketball Mega for Adam R. So good luck here, Adam. Let's see it, buddy. Again, 2020-21. Like you said, let's see a nice LaMelo. Come down. Nice Ant-Man, Halliburton, Maxey, Bane. A lot of good names in this class. This class has held up relatively well, I would say. Some bots, but mostly pretty good. Knox, R.J. Hampton, Vince Carter. There's a blue reactive national pride of Jason Tatum and Hall of Fame David Robinson, the Admiral. Halliburton rookie. There you go. Jalen Smith. John Wall. That's cool. On the blue reactive. And a Damian Lillard. LaMelo, national pride. There he is. Kawhi Leonard, Rajon Rondo on the blue reactive is a Clipper, and a silver Luka. Yes, very top-heavy class, but like you said, very good top of the class. I mean, you have some, like, decent guys. Like, I'd put Vassell, Okongwu, like, Patrick Williams, Cole Anthony. I'd put them, like, tier 2, but that's not a terrible tier 2. Another LaMelo rookie. Paul Pierce and Shea. Nice one there. Congrats on that. And a Green Jam Masters of Zach LaVine. Bull, Isaiah Stewart, Sadiq Bey debut. Paul Reed, nice one there on the blue reactive. And Vince Carter. Like, Sadiq Bey is another one who's decent. Like, there's some, like, decent names in here, too. Wiseman. Teo Maledon. A Danilo Gallinari blue reactive for the Hawks. And an Anthony Davis. Trey Jones, rookie. Anthony Edwards, national pride. He has 18 of the full set. I love it. Nemanja Bjelica. Big Buckets Bjelica, or Bjelica. For the Heat, and a bang of Derek Fisher. Larry Bird, Xavier Tillman, the X-Man, Sam Merrill on the rookie blue reactive for the Bucks, and a Joel Embiid Mosaic. Lamar Stevens. Isaac Okoro, Rui Hachimura, second year. And a silver Ben Simmons. And last pack for you. Good luck, Adam. Tatum, Ant-Man, another debut Ant-Man rookie. Manuel Quickley, a PJ Tucker on the blue reactive, and an will to win Jamal Murray. That'll do it for your break there, Adam. Thanks again for the support, buddy. Get him right out to you, my man.